Most people think airplane mode is just for flights, but what if I told you it's way more powerful than that? Airplane mode isn't just a switch to turn off calls, it's a hidden tool that can boost battery life, improve focus, and even speed up charging. When you activate flight mode, your phone shuts off all wireless connections, including cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. That means no calls, no text, no data. Total signal blackout. But here's where it gets interesting. Want faster charging? Turn on airplane mode. Fewer background tasks. Tired of ads while gaming? Airplane mode blocks them. Need peace from notifications? It's an instantly digital detox. And yes, if your phone's plane taking off, it prevents interference. Need to read WhatsApp messages without triggering blue ticks? Airplane mode. Turn it on, open the app, read messages, then close it before turning the mode off. So next time you are not flying but need focus or peace, remember airplane mode. It's not just for planes. Subscribe for more smartphone hacks.